So recently, I've been seeing a lot of people talking about an app that actually pays you legitimately from the comfort of your home, and that app is no other but Goodwall. And guys, a lot of them are showing proofs, testimonies, and receipts to show that they've actually cashed out from this app. Now, the big question is it true? Are they really making money from this app? How does Goodwall really work? And most importantly, the reason why you are here. How can you make money and benefit from it? Well, in this video, I'm going to explain exactly how people are earning from the Goodwall app. I will explain what it is all about, how you can increase your chances of winning, and simply what to avoid so you don't waste your time on the app, okay? Because a lot of persons, even if an app is paying, there are still some persons that will not earn from that app. Like, it will literally be paying other people, while some people will be wasting their time because they are not following instructions. They've not really sat down to learn what the app is all about and how they can really earn from it. So I will implore you to watch this video to the very end and follow me step by step so that you are not going to be part of those people that will waste their time on Goodwall app and you will not earn anything. Hi everyone, my name is Debbie, and on this channel I bring you pro tips on how to make money online. I give you apps and websites. I also bring reviews on platforms that promises to pay and tell you if they are paying or they are not paying, so that you're not going to waste your time. I bring tips on affiliate marketing, digital marketing, anything you want to learn about how to make money online. This is your go-to place. If these are the kind of videos you would love to watch, do want to click on the red subscribe button, subscribe to my channel, and turn on your notification bell so that whenever I have new videos, you're going to get notified. And please give this video a huge thumbs up and help me to share as wide as possible so that others are going to benefit from this as well. And for my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming here. I appreciate you. So guys, first things first, what really is Goodwall? Now, disclaimer, it's not a get rich quick scheme. And on this channel, I don't talk about any platform that is a get rich quick scheme, because anything that is a get rich quick scheme is obviously a scam and you will want to run away from that, right? So everything here is legit, and this Goodwall app is obviously not one of those get rich quick scheme, but you're going to make money from it. Let me just say this from the beginning. It is not like those money doubling app or a Ponzi scheme or scam investment platform. Now, a beautiful thing about the Goodwall app is that it is a skill learning and opportunity platform. So apart from earning money from this platform, you can actually enhance your skill, showcase your skill, and get numerous opportunities to receive gigs and even be employed from this platform. It is designed for young people, creators, and anybody that totally wants to develop a skill online. So you can think of it as a mixed LinkedIn, TikTok, and a scholarship platform all in one. So on Goodwall, you can create a professional profile, showcase your skills and achievements, join global challenges that you can actually earn from, win cash prizes, scholarships, or awards. You can connect with brands and organizations that are looking for young talents. So when people say Goodwall is actually paying, it means they participated in challenges and they won and got paid. So yes, Goodwall is paying. So let's talk about how these challenges work and how people actually earn from it. Now, the main way to actually make money on Goodwall is through challenges. Goodwall partners with big organizations, NGOs, and even universities to host challenges on different topics like creativity, climate change, entrepreneurship, education, or even technology. Each challenge usually has a theme and a reward. It could be a cash prize, a scholarship, or a gift card, or even an internship opportunity. Now, here is how it works. You simply open the Goodwall app and go to the challenge section. Select any challenge you are interested in and then read the instructions very well, because each of the challenges has a rule. Now, you create your entry. Sometimes your entry could be a short video, a photo, or a written idea. So that simply means that what they do in the challenges is that you can make a short video about something, about the topic you want to talk about. If you don't want to make a video, you can write it down, or you can simply upload a photo. So it's basically simple. This is something you should really try. Now, you submit it, ensure you submit it before the deadline, because there's always a deadline. If your entry stands out, you're going to win. And yes, like I said, people have been getting paid. Some are paid through PayPal, some are paid through direct transfer, some are paid through gift cards, depending on your region and the type of reward. So this basically means that no matter where you are, Goodwall is there for you. This is a global opportunity. Whether you are in the US, you are in UK, you are in Canada, Australia, you are in Nigeria, Ghana, any country where you're coming from, this can actually serve you. You can actually earn from this platform, right? Now, let me give you examples of real challenges that happens on Goodwall. So there was a challenge called the Better Together campaign, where users submitted videos on how they were helping their community, and the winners got $1,000 each. Another one was the Climate Action Challenge, where people shared ideas on how to protect their climate, and the winners received cash prizes and global recognition. They've also had education challenges for students, creativity competitions, and even innovation contests, where the top entries got featured by Goodwall partners. So you see, Goodwall isn't about luck. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's about creativity, presentation, and how well you follow the campaign instructions. Now, here's how to increase your chances of winning and getting paid. I'll be giving you some tips that you can actually use to win. Number one, I'm going to say is that you should always read the instructions very well. Very, very importantly. Many people get disqualified because they miss small details. Details as little as video length. If they say you should do 2 minutes, don't go and do 2.1 minutes. It actually matters a lot. The file size or even the hashtags. Follow instructions exactly as how they want it. Tip 2, be original. Don't just copy what everyone else is doing. Think creatively. Simply ensure that your idea and video stands out. And yes, be confident and clear. If it's a video, speak clearly, smile, and make it engaging. Judges love authentic entries that show your personality. Tip 4, practice regularly. Don't just join one challenge and give up. Like I said, it's not a get-rich-quick scheme. The more challenges you enter, the greater your chances of getting picked. So don't just focus on one challenge. There's a lot of challenges you can actually do there. So do different ones at the same time if you have the time. Number 5, engage with the community. Ensure you like and comment on other people's posts. Goodwall simply loves active members and sometimes features them. When you combine creativity with consistency, your chances of getting noticed skyrockets. Now let's talk about how you actually get paid. If you win any challenge, Goodwall is simply going to contact you directly from the app through your registered email. They will ask for your payment method, or sometimes they will offer you a scholarship if it is a sponsored challenge. So if you are looking at traveling abroad for your masters or for your undergraduate studies, this is an opportunity for you. You should take Goodwall very seriously, because from this app you can actually get a scholarship to study abroad, full-time scholarship for that matter. Once they contact you and get all the necessary information from you, you are good to go. Now note that it is not everybody that gets paid. It is only those that wins the challenge that gets paid. So don't expect a daily income like a task platform. So simply think of it as a project-based earning or a reward-based contest. Now I'm going to be telling you other ways you can actually benefit from Goodwall. Even if you don't win, you can benefit in other ways from Goodwall. Number one way we can benefit apart from making money is through networking. You can simply connect with people from all over the world. Students, creators, and even professionals who can open doors for you. Build your portfolio. Everything you post stays on your profile, so employers and partners can actually see your skills. Brand exposure. If you consistently post good ideas, brands might simply notice you for collaborations. Scholarships. Scholarship challenges simply leads to educational opportunities, so you can actually earn from training or funding instead of just cash. So yes, goodwill isn't just about money, it's also about growth, visibility, and connections that can lead to future incomes. So let's talk about the mistakes that people make on Goodwall that prevent them from winning or earning. Number one is submitting without reading instructions. You will get disqualified if you miss basic rules. Copying content. Judges are going to spot it instantly, so always be unique. Late entries. Avoid late entries. Some persons even have incomplete profiles. So if you avoid all these mistakes, you can actually be ahead of other people. So to get started on Goodwall, I'm going to leave the link in the comment section or in the description box on this video. Do well to follow it and download the app, and you'll simply get started. And if you have a question, you can drop at the comment section. So yes, Goodwall is real. People are earning from it, but it is not automatic. You have to participate, be consistent, and put effort into your submissions. Use it to grow your skills, grow exposures, and if you're lucky, you win amazing prizes and cash prizes along the way. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel so that whenever I upload new videos, you're going to get notified. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.